If you're just starting this series from here, this video will help you get up to speed so you can just hop right in. Now this is what our file structure looks like, but it has some files in it that we no longer need from this point forward. So here's what you need to do in order to get squared away. Go over to the resource pack in the part 1 steps, and we're going to need step 19, 20, and 21. That's the index.html file, the bower.json file, and the styles.scss file. And you'll just remove the ending and the beginning so that it's just the name of the file and the extension for all 3 of them. So copy those, put them in your project folder. Now this can be anywhere on your file system. And then we're going to need to do a few things in order to get all of your files squared away. First of all, you need to get normalize.css by running Bower. Now if you haven't installed Bower yet, go back a few videos and watch the installation videos for either Mac or Windows. And once you have Bower set up, you're going to go to the command line and navigate to your project's location in the File Explorer. So in this case, it's going to be loc.frontenddevelopment.com. And on Mac, what I can do is just drag this over, and I'm going to type cd space and then drag over the folder. And that will take me to that location in my file system. And from here, I just need to run Bower install. And as long as you have Bower installed, this should download the latest version of Normalize for our project. The next thing that you need to do is use Sass to create this styles.css file. So if you don't have Sass installed, go back a few videos and watch the installation videos. Make sure you have that squared away. And then on the command line, what you're going to type is sass space -- watch space styles.scss, a colon, and then styles.css. And what this will do is run the Sass watch program, which will automatically look for changes in styles.scss and produce the styles.css file. Now, if any of that is confusing or you don't know what Sass is, go back a few videos and learn a little bit more about Sass. Finally, our template so far includes an image, and while we're not really going to be using it from this point forward, it will be broken unless you have that in your file directory. So the way to get that is to go back to the resource pack, again, part 1 steps, and it's step 16, snippetcomponent.png. So just take the beginning part and the last part away and copy it over to your project folder, and once you have that, you should be able to continue from this point without a problem.